Travel with style and comfort with the all-new Force Traveler Tourer, customized by Bomb for Force, Shillong. Enjoy its big and comfortable cabin along with its large boot space. A new leather interior along with furnished floors, individual charging stations, personalized overhead air conditioning with pleasant after-dark lighting, comfortable reclining seats, adjustable side mirrors, and aerodynamic luggage carrier. For more customizable options, contact Bomb for Force, 3rd Mile, Upper Shillong.
President के MPCC बा Vincent H Palau balong MP का Congress ulong balada ka सरकार Congress kawan ha ka bor kan sesong perkhat biang ha ka beidei bakajia soy soskular penbejput ha preng ka सरकार Meghalaya bat ka Assam ulong ru balada dan kam banlit chadu shiyeng bishar bah kledo nesha ka Supreme Court ban pendu pendam no yakani ke MOU ka Congress kan lej.
Border issue is a very critical issue. Meghalaya maps become smaller and smaller. Very unfortunate that Assam has given us. Now also we are giving back to Assam. There also I've seen many people, they came to me, they met me, they want to go to Supreme Court. See, if the public in the border are not happy with it, why should you impose on it? Only to get one big building, only to get one hotel, and you have to sell so many lands, you have to let out so many of the public's property, because we are in the 6th schedule. All the people who live in the 6th schedule, they have got different facilities. All the land we have got in the 6th schedule, only people who have got scheduled tribe, and scheduled caste, so we live different facilities. Now all this will go back to Assam. Only they said in the border, there's certain populations which are more. So that is not the question. You have to know the history. You have to do a public hearing. You have to do a social impact. They have not done any social impact, no public hearing. They simply come notify and they went to the border and Assam will dictate them. It's totally a sellout. I think these also they have to come. They have to come back one day. Today, because they are they are ruling in such a position, they are in good terms with Assam and Meghalaya. So if you see, the loss will be the maximum of the prime property. The loss is for the Meghalaya.
So,
thank you.
But if the Congress gets into power, let's
101%. If Congress comes
will
rethink on the border. If Congress comes to power, we'll never allow casino to come. I can guarantee you. If Congress comes to power, we'll do the policy, we'll form a policy, we'll frame a policy what the public wants. It's not what we want.